This is Joey. He's just starting to swing. After I was drunk.
But you weren't actually drunk. You were just...
Yeah, I wasn't drunk. Drunk is for drunk people. Being drunk it's for drunk people. No, don't hold on to me. I don't like being held on to. Besides, that was a place that people don't want to know, that don't want to be hung on to.
You're a little gangster.
You're a gopher.
I'm not a gopher, you're a gopher.
But I'm a gopher.
What?
But you're a gopher.
I'm not a gopher too. Get that penis cannon out of my face.
I don't care.
You're a butthole.
Look at the stick. It's a stick of justice. Not really. No, it's not a stick of justice. It's not golden. It's a stick. Yeah. Woohoo! There you go. Whoa! You kicked me. Ouch.
I'm here.
Good. Wait. Oh no, it's Daisy! We better run! Oh no, I dropped